If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful heatless curls on my boho microlock extensions, stay tuned.
Okay, so these are the heatless curling rods I used. There's 3 of them in the pack, and they're kind of similar to flexi rods, just thicker than a normal flexi rod. But I will link these in the description bar below for you. After I've brushed the curly extensions in my hair, I go ahead and spray my locks and extensions with a generous amount of water. This is a very important step when you're setting your hair in a curl because the water actually breaks hydrogen bonds and allows it to set in a new curl when it dries. Once my locks and extensions are wet enough, I'm ready to put my hair on the curling rods. I'm going to be curling my hair in 3 sections, and right now I'm just partitioning the first third of my hair to start with. It doesn't have to be perfect, just generally want to get it equally. I'm going to spritz my hair with a bit more water for the parts that didn't get any, and then I can begin wrapping my hair around. When I'm using any kind of flexi rod or curling rod, the first thing I always do is anchor the tips first. Because if you can anchor the tips first, it's going to make it a lot easier and more secure as you roll your hair on. Even though this is my first time using these rollers, that method still works. Although it gets a little bit tricky as I work my way towards the back because it's just really awkward. You can't really see what you're doing, and it's just really awkward to get the rollers on. But hey, we got there. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but as long as you can get it on and it's secure, that will work absolutely fine. Here you can see a little bit more clearly what I mean by anchoring the ends first, and so I just did a little wrap around at the ends, and then it made it a lot easier to roll all my locks onto it. Oops, missed a bit. That always happens, literally every single time. It doesn't matter what curl I'm doing, there's always going to be a bit that is left out. Okay, now I'm just going to pop my bonnet on, I'm going to go to sleep, and when I wake up I should have the most beautiful bouncy curls. Okay guys, it's the next day. It's been about 18 hours, so my locks are dry and my extensions are dry. Let's see what we're working with. Guys, I absolutely love these results. The curls are just so pretty. Look at the bounce. Oh my goodness. I love them. Next time I try this, I'll probably use more water or use a setting mousse to really help the curls form even more beautifully and last longer. But I'm pretty happy with this, considering this was a midnight job. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful for you, go ahead and join the gang. Bye.